In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a headlight bulb in a Subaru Forester. It is located in the front of the vehicle. After you raised and supported your hood, on your side here, you're going to see your headlight bulb plugs into the back side of your headlamp. Remove the snorkel. That is a 10mm bolt. This pulls out this way and put it off to the side. This is your headlamp bulb. You have a piece of rubber that goes over your connector. You just want to pull straight out. Put that off to the side. Then you have a rubber boot. Same thing, pull it straight out like that, put it off to the side. Your headlight bulb is secured by this clip. You want to push these two clips together, pull straight out, then pull your bulb out. Before installing your headlight bulb into your headlight, you have these 3 tabs. The 3 tabs that are on the bulb that I showed you, one goes here, one goes here, and the top one goes there. Hold your bulb in with your finger, swing your clamps around, and hook them in the tabs on the side. Now it's time to install your rubber boot. Slide it over, push on, make sure your 3 tabs for your bulb are sticking through. At this point, you can check your wiring, make sure your wiring isn't corroded or rotted, which this one looks good. Install your plug. Take your snorkel, install it onto your piece here, and install your 10mm bolt. Tighten your 10mm bolt. Now you want to test your bulb, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.